Just as Krishna has captivated the entire cosmos with the enchanting melody of his celestial flute, the Prashanti Nilayam boys, inspired by their Sai Krishna, the very source of this dynamic force assembled here, have come to bring a smile on Swami's face, which is the ultimate fulfillment of all our efforts.
As these gymnasts converge into a cartwheeling lotus and span out gracefully.
Immaculate poise and infinite precision instinctive to these gymnasts express themselves as they leap across the wall of fire. Pushing the limits seems to be a habit for these daredevils. Prashant of class 10 and Shubham of class 9 as they leap to ultimate glory in blatant defiance of gravity.
The laws of nature stare at them in disbelief as Praveen of class 9 and Sagar of class 11 now execute stupendous somersaults, leaping across the four-wheeler and fire. Defying the contactless contact with the world. Alone we are nothing, and only when we coalesce, our confluence becomes.
What you're now watching is a scintillating scissors cross. And it's followed by a front roll.
In parallel bars, the support and hurdle are two bars. To get a different view of the world, Nagarajan performs
Various formations on the ground. Leaving their hands, they hang onto the poles using only their legs for support.
This art
Get ready for a jump over 6 men. Will he do it? And yes, he does it over 6 men as if Mohit is sailing in the air.
Another man is added and the count is 7 and Ashish clears it with ease. Is there a limit for these Zoomsters? As we watch Devrat taking it a notch higher, 8 men and still counting.
That was a close one, but undaunted, Pranav comes in for 9 men jump. 8 men is not our limit. Clearing 9 men with ample space, Pranav does it. And fire is the next fear that they get set to conquer. As Yashwant prepared himself, the ramp is lit up flame. And yes,
Powerful pull shot. Rest of the world in the Sri Satya Sai Unity Cup final. The match is equally poised. It is a final over with 4 balls to go, and India needs 10 runs with 2 wickets in hand, with the only recognized batsman on the non-strikers end. Can India do it?
That's the big question today evening. Can India do electrifying atmosphere here at the Hillview Stadium? Bowlers charging in short ball. They straight to the fielder. There's a mix-up. Is it going to be a run out? We have to wait and watch.
Bolts on the ground, some energetic lions
ascend to the exalted poles, the elevated pedestal to proudly showcase their skills.
Swami students, known for pushing their limits, have done it again. Watch them as they perform breathtaking stunts at a staggering height of 22 feet.
नजारा है निराला बढ़ते हम और देरी न हो पल के लिए पल के ये झपके हमारी रहना हमें संग तेरे बस एक ही है